What's up, bitches? I'm talking about what's up, my bitches. Alright, here I got another AR-15 to show you. This is a custom build all the way to the bream. Here's the upper that I put together. I put together the lower on the CMMG low receiver. I got everything done besides the trigger guard, and I couldn't find those DPMS lower receiver parts kits that I've been getting, and I ordered all the parts individually off the internet, and just didn't really feel like waiting for the trigger guard to come in. The trigger guard that's going on here is going to be the Magpul full pistol stock, because I hate having to tap in those ears. I always think I'm going to break an ear if I tap it in wrong, so I'm going to go with that just to see how easy it is to install. So go ahead and put these earplugs in. This is reloaded, 5.56 by 45, 60 grain full metal jacket. So you're gonna see how this goes. It's a 1/9 twist. No sights. I love having no sights. No sights. I don't really know where to aim at. Doesn't really kick too bad. Yep, 5 shots, 60 grain. You can see that right there. It's pretty good pre-floated tube. Really like it. That'd be it.